Hello everyone, I am Madhuchi. I am a mechanical engineering student. Today I am going to talk about automated leak testing of automotive components, an important quality control process used in the automotive industry. Leak testing ensures that automotive components do not allow air, fuel, oil, coolant, or other fluids to escape. Even a very small leak can reduce vehicle performance, increase maintenance costs, and create safety risks. Therefore, manufacturers inspect every critical component before it reaches the customer. In modern industries, manual inspection has been replaced by automated leak testing systems. These systems use advanced sensors, PLC, and automated fixtures to detect even microscopic leaks with high accuracy. First, the component is placed in a testing fixture and oil openings are sealed. Compressor air or helium gas is introduced into the component. The system then monitors the pressure for a few seconds. If the pressure drops beyond the acceptable limit, the component is identified as defective and automatically rejected. If there is no pressure loss, the component passes the test and moves to the next stage of production. The entire process takes only a few seconds and provides consistent, reliable results. Automated leak testing is widely used for engine blocks, cylinder heads, fuel tanks, brake systems, radiators, air conditioning compressors, transmission housing, and electric vehicle battery packs. Since these components carry fluids or gases, leak testing is essential to ensure vehicle safety, durability, and customer satisfaction. Let us look at an industrial case study. A leading automotive component manufacturer faced problems with the manual leak testing because the result depends on the operator and some defective parts escaped inspection. To solve this problem, the company installed an automated leak testing and traceability system. The new system used pressure TK testing, barcode identification, and automatic pass or fail decisions. After implementation, the company achieved a 90% improvement in first pass yield, over 40% better testing consistency, reduced human errors, and improved product quality. This demonstrates how automation can increase both manufacturing efficiency and customer confidence. The major advantages of automated leak testing include 100% inspection, high accuracy, faster production, reduced human error, lower warranty cost, and complete digital traceability. It also supports Industry 4.0 by storing quality data for every component and helping manufacturers continuously improve their production process. Finally, conclusion. Automated leak testing has become an essential technology in modern automotive manufacturing. It ensures that every component meets strict quality standards before reaching customers. As the automotive industry continues to develop electric and smart vehicles, automated leak testing will play an even more important role in improving safety, reliability, and manufacturing excellence. Thank you.